नमस्ते दोस्तों, राधे राधे। तो आज हम देखेंगे कि मोडक एनालिटिक्स इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट राउंड। ठीक है, तो चलो चालू करते हैं बिना देर किए। और आपको अगर पीडीएफ चाहिए है तो मैं लास्ट में नंबर दूंगा, आप देख के मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं पीडीएफ के लिए, एंड क्वेश्चन भी कर सकते हैं इसके रिगार्डिंग एनी इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। Photographic film is manufactured by applying a very thin layer of a viscous solution called a melt to a transparent inert support material. If 25 cubic centimeter of melt is applied per square meter of support material is an even layer, what is the thickness of the layer in centimeters? Okay, choose the right option. 0.0025, 2.5, 25 and 0.025. The thickness of the layer is 0.0025 centimeters. Answer is okay. And second question, as a part of an environment study of a river, a random sample of trout was drawn from the river and the length of the trout were recorded. The average length was 14.31 inches. If the length of 16.89 inches was 1.50 standard deviations above the average, what was the standard deviation of the length of the trout in the sample? Choose the right option. 1.45, 1.5, 1.72 and 1.9. The correct answer will be 1.972 inches. Okay, ये जो मैं क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ वो ऐसे वैसे क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये एक्चुअल में पूछे गए हैं। ठीक है, मोडक एनालिटिक कंपनी में फर्स्ट राउंड में। ओके, एप्टीट्यूड एंड कोडिंग क्वेश्चन है ये आपके सामने। एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन है। नेक्स्ट इसके बाद मैं आपको कोडिंग क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइड करूंगा। नीचे जैसे ही जाते जाएंगे हम इधर क्वेश्चन कोडिंग के आते जाएंगे। ओके, तो ये ऐसे वैसे क्वेश्चन नहीं है। ठीक है, एवरी एलिमेंटरी स्कूल स्टूडेंट इन अ सर्टेन टाउन अटेंड्स वन ऑफ टू स्कूल्स एंड एट बोथ स्कूल्स each student is assigned to a specific classroom. River Academy has 29 classrooms with an average of 17 students per classroom, and Lakeside Schools has 19 classrooms with an average of 18 students per classroom. Approximately what percent of the town's elementary school students attend Broad River Academy? Choose the right option. 29%, 41%, 58%, 59%. The correct answer will be 59%. Next question. A man arrives at a railway station 90 minutes before the time at which he had ordered his carriage to meet him. He walks at the rate of 4 km per hour and meets the carriage 8 km from his house and reaches 1 hour earlier than usual time. What is the speed of the carriage and distance from the station to his house? Choose the right option. 8 km per hour, 12 km per hour, 12 km per hour. इधर अलग अलग लिखा हुआ है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर। नेक्स्ट है 12 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 16 किलोमीटर, 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 14 किलोमीटर, none of these. Okay, so the given that 3.2 kilometer per hour does not match any of the given option. We concluded that the calculation might need further requirement or reconsideration based on the proper interpretation of the problem statement. Let's refine it carefully. इसका आंसर एक्चुअल में नहीं दिया गया है क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन हाफ है, तो ये जो मैंने आंसर प्रोवाइड किया है वही आपका आंसर होगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इफ ऑल पॉसिबल इंटरनल अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ द लेटर्स ऑफ द वर्ड लेजर आर अरेंज्ड एज अ in a dictionary, then the rank of the word laser in choose the right option. 55, 61, 53, 51. However, upon reviewing the option, there seems to be mistake in the final count. The closest valid option to our calculation is 61. Okay, इसमें ऑप्शन भी दिया है। Find a positive number which when increased by 17 is equal to 60 times the reciprocal of the number. Choose the right option. 10, 17, 20. इसका आंसर है 3। मतलब मैंने ऑप्शन 1 नहीं दिखाया, वही आंसर है इसका। ठीक है, next question. If a is greater than b are two odd numbers, how many even numbers are there between them? Choose the right option. A plus b by 2, a minus b by 2, a minus b plus 2 and a plus b plus 1 and a minus b. The answer will be B option. B option a minus b by 2. ओके, यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हुई है, आप थोड़ा समझ लीजिएगा, ठीक है. Question is followed by two statement 1 and 2. Indicate your responses based on the following directives. Among A and B and C, who is the fastest? First, the sum of the times taken by A and C to complete a race is the sum of the times taken by B and A complete the race. Second, the times taken by A and B, C taken in one particular order are in arithmetic progression. Choose the right option. If the question can be answered using statement, be answered using statement 2 alone. If the question can be answered by average, state cannot be answered using statement alone. If the question be answered by using either, if the question can be answered by using 3, using 1 or 2 alone. So the D option, if the question can be answered by using 3, using 1 or 2 alone. Okay. Direction, next question. Direction, two statement 1, 2 are given. These statements may be either independent causes or may be effects of independent causes or a common cause. One of these statements may be effect of the other statement. Read both the statement and decide which of the following answer choice correctly depicts the relationship between these two statements. First, in the semester examination, most of the students in the first year of engineering university failed in mathematics. Second, the university authority discontinued the teacher's contract to teach the first year student mathematics. Choose the right option. Statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is first statement. Second is the cause and statement 1 in both statement first and second are independent. Both statement 1 and second are effects of statement second is the cause and statement 1 is the effect. यहाँ पर मैंने कॉमा नहीं लगाया है, ये PDF में अनकरेक्ट हो गया है. Statement 1 is the cause and 2 is statement. First and second statement is the cause and statement first. Okay, ये वाला आंसर है, the effect वाला. Next question is Praveen older than Manish if both of them are at least 1 year old. First, 4 times Praveen is in 4 years less than thrice Manish's age. Second, 5 times Praveen's age is 1 year more than 4 times Manish's age. Choose the right optic. If the question can be answered using that state, if the question cannot be answered, if the question be if the question car using 1 or 2 alone, can लिखा हुआ. ये थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हुई है क्योंकि मैंने कॉपी पेस्ट किया है, जो मैंने सर्च किए थे क्वेश्चन उनको मैंने कॉपी किया है, इसलिए यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हुई है कॉमा की. तो आप देख लीजिएगा. अगर आपको PDF चाहिए तो मैंने नंबर दूंगा, वो आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हैं उस पर, ठीक है. So the answer will be, the question cannot be answered using both statements. C option. Okay, the question cannot be answered using both statements. Next question, you can take screenshot also. What number should fill the blank? 664, 332, 340, 170, comma 89, ... Choose the right option. 97 will be the answer. Look at this series. What number should fill the blank? Okay, the answer will be the next term in the sequence should be V35. Okay, in the certain code, tree is written as 8411 and leaf is written as 5167. How is felt written in that code? Choose the right option. The answer will be to find out how felt is written in the code, the answer will be 7158. 7158, first option. Okay, if P denotes plus, Q denotes minus, R denotes X and S denotes divide, then calculate 15 as 3, P of 7, R of 6, Q 4 is equals to, choose the right option. 24, 30, 44, 23. Let's see. P denotes plus, addition, Q denotes minus, subtraction, R denotes multiplication, X and S denotes divides. The result will be 24. Okay. Rahul bought two varieties of pens, A and B. The difference between the cost of the two varieties is ₹5. He spent a total of ₹157 on both the varieties of pen, but put together, how many pens of varieties A did Rahul buy? A. The cost of pen A is ₹12. B. The cost of pen B is ₹17. Choose the right option if the question can be answered. Voiding statement 2. If the question can be answered, cannot be answered. If the question be answered, if the question can be answering, send using one or two alone. The question can be answered by using both statements together. So the correct option is the question can be answered using both statements together. Okay. Given question given below in the sentence in jumbled order, select the option where the words are put into other correct order. Chances exam are passing. What are the marks of? Choose the right option. What are my chances of passing the exam? What are the chances of highly? What are the chances? So the correct answer will be, what are my chances of passing the exam? Choose the correct option to complete the given sentence. Okay. Option are WRIT, granting application, posting appeal, removing petition, tuition. Okay, the answer will be WRIT and granting. The completed sentence would be, the right before the court period, the WRIT, right before the court period for orders granting the application issued by the management. Next question, choose the correct option to complete the given sentence. The annual of industrial product has risen in the, choose the right option. Enormously outlay, paramount outbreak, tremendous decline, scarcely recent years. The correct answer will be output enormously. So the completed sentence would be, the annual output of industrial products has risen enormously in the recent years. Next question, what will be the output of the given program? Okay, here is the given code. Okay, so you can edit it by yourself, but मैंने यहाँ पर अलग से कोड को रन करके देखा है, तो आप ये करके देख सकते हैं, और आप ये वाला कोड को एडिट भी कर सकते हैं जो आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया है. ओके, सो आउटपुट विल बी 3. यहाँ पर आपको कोड भी पूछा है और आउटपुट भी पूछा है, तो दोनों आपको करके जाना है क्वेश्चन में अगर आपको पूछा जाए तो. ठीक है. You have a large data set of integers where you need to find the median dynamically as new elements are added. Which data structure would provide the best performance for this task? Choose the right option. AVL tree, linked list, and stack min heap and maximum heap array list. The minimum heap and maximum heap pair provides the best performance for dynamically finding the medians as new elements are added. What will be the following C code print? यहाँ पर आपको क्वेश्चन में ही कोड दिया गया है, उसको आपको एडिट करना है एंड आउटपुट जनरेट करना है. ठीक है, तो मैंने यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं, कॉपी भी कर सकते हैं, स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं और आप PDF भी ले सकते हैं. इन अ लॉगिंग सिस्टम यू नीड टू इंश्योर ओनली वन इंस्टेंस ऑफ लॉगर इज क्रिएटेड and it must be accessible throughout the application. Which design pattern would you implement? Choose the right option. Factory pattern, singleton pattern, observer pattern, prototype pattern. The answer will be singleton design pattern is the most appropriate size. ये तो मुझे याद था. Given a maximum heap stored in an array, which of the following option correctly represent the array indices of the children of the element at index? Choose the right option. 1 i-1 and I plus 1, 2 into I and 2 into I plus 1, 2 into I plus 1 and 2 I minus 2 of 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 plus 1. The answer will be, the left child is located at 2 plus 1, the right child is located at 2 plus 2. Consider the following Java code snippet and predict the output where the code is executed. ओके, यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक है, आप उसको ज़्यादा फोकस मत कीजिएगा, क्योंकि मैंने जो क्वेश्चन है वो मैंने सर्च से कॉपी किया है, तो थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया होगा, तो आप देख लीजिएगा अपने हिसाब से। आप वैसे भी इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो इतना तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि इसके बाद क्या आएगा वर्ड के बाद। ओके, सो यू कैन एडिट इट बाय योरसेल्फ। हियर इज द कोड given in the question. You can edit it or you can regenerate for the output. Output will be x होगा 10, y होगा 3.5, z होगा 8। मैं हिंदी में इसलिए पढ़ा रहा हूँ ताकि सबको समझ में आए। इंग्लिश में पढ़ाऊँगा तो किसी को समझ में ना आएगा और किसी को समझ में आएगा, इसलिए मैं हिंदी में पढ़ाता हूँ। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स आर आस्किंग इन व्हाट्सएप हाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड, और मतलब कि उन्हें समझ नहीं आती है इंग्लिश तो वो PDF मांग लेते हैं। ठीक है, हेलो वर्ल्ड टेस्ट होगा यहाँ पर, जनरेट आउटपुट। गिवन अ मैक्सिमम हीप स्टोर्ड इन एन अरे व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन करेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट द अरे इंडेक्सेस ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ द एलिमेंट इन इंडेक्स i। चूज द राइट ऑप्शन i-1, i+1। ये सेम क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं हुआ, अलग क्वेश्चन। ओके, ये 2+1, 2+2। In a logging system, you need to ensure only one instance of logger is created, and it must be accessible throughout the application. Which design pattern would you implement? Choose the right option. Singleton design pattern is the most appropriate choice. What will be the output of the C code snippet? यहाँ पर आपको कोड दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में, तो यहाँ पर मैंने करेक्टेड कोड यूज को किया है और आउटपुट जनरेट किया है 12 आया। What will be the output of the correct following code? क्वेश्चन में कोड दिया हुआ है, आपको उसको करेक्ट करके आउटपुट जनरेट करना है, जिसका आउटपुट होगा 20। ठीक है, you need to design a system to efficiently extract the top 5 highest scores from a dynamic dataset of thousands of integer scores. Which data structure would provide the best performance for maintaining the top 5 scores? To efficiently track the top 5 highest scores from a dynamic dataset of thousands of integer scores, the best data structure to use a minimum heap priority queue of which the size 5 to allow a class B to access private members of class A while following encapsulation principles. Which approach would generally be the most appropriate? To allow a class B to access private members of class A while still adhering to encapsulation principles, the most appropriate approach is to use getter and setter methods in a class A. This approach maintains encapsulation by controlling access to private members through explicitly defined public methods. Next question, to allow a class B to access private members of class A while following encapsulation principles, which approach would you generally be the most appropriate? Correct option will be use the friend keyword. इसमें ऑप्शन अवेलेबल थे लेकिन उसमें क्वेश्चन पूरा नहीं हो पाया है, तो आप ये देख सकते हैं। ओके, गिवन द फॉलोइंग जावा कोड, व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट? ओके, तो आउटपुट विल बी 3 and 1 की पॉइंट्स, यू कैन रीड इट टू अंडरस्टैंड केयरफुली, यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट टू। ओके, डन। प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, next question, predict the output of the given code. Answer given. Okay, you can understand by analysis issues with the code formatting and syntax. You can read it and understand wisely. Assumption to correct the code. Corrected code, class defined, and output will be 0. You can take screenshot to problem statement question. Okay, here is the answer starting from here. Okay, what next question, what is the complexity, time complexity of finding the maximum product of 3 elements in an array? So the most optimal approach has a time complexity of, therefore the correct option is 0 of n आएगा इसका आंसर ये वाला, ठीक है। What will be the output of the following C++ code? Here is the output 30 and 20. Key points: s dot push of x adds x to the top of the stack. push क्या करता है? ऐड करता है। pop क्या करता है? डिलीट करता है। drop क्या करता है? उसको इंक्रीज करता है, मतलब जो नीचे है स्टैक के वो उसको इंक्रीज कर देगा जब वो रिमूव होगा। टॉप बॉटम। Consider the following C++ code. What will be the output? Okay, here is the code given in the question, and here is the original code that I have provided in the answer. Okay, output will be A11 and reference of A11. Explanation of the correction reference initialization. The correct cout statement is. Next questions. Consider a balanced binary search tree. If the smallest element is removed, which traversal order would be the most efficient to find the next smallest element? In a balanced binary search tree, if the smallest element is removed, the most efficient traversal order to find the next smallest element would be an in order traversal. Okay. Next question. What will be the following C code? Here is a question given, a code given in the question. Okay, and completed. Output will be 4 key issues in the original code. Okay, next question, you can read it by yourself. You want to ensure that a function is in C is available only within the file where it's defined. Which approach would you use? ये मैंने जो अलग से आपको इश्यूज दिए हैं वो मैं इसलिए नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, इसलिए नहीं, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो समझने के लिए है आपके लिए, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा लंबी वीडियो नहीं बना रहा हूँ ताकि आप जल्दी जल्दी कवर कर सकें सभी क्वेश्चन। तो आप ये अपने हिसाब से पढ़ लीजिएगा और समझ लीजिएगा, और आपको PDF चाहिए तो आप आराम से ही पढ़ सकते हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट सूडो कोड. This is a very important question coming up. Okay, so completed carefully. Abstract class. Take a screenshot if you want to, and take PDF too. If you want to copy it, you can take PDF. Okay. As the last question. ओके, मैंने आपको व्हाट्सएप नंबर प्रोवाइड कर दिया होगा, आप देख सकते हैं बीच में जाके, और अगर आपको नहीं मिला है व्हाट्सएप नंबर तो आप अभी लिख सकते हैं मेरा नंबर, राइट इट डाउन, 8959818338. ओके, you can WhatsApp it, don't call it. If I cannot see your message, you can call, but you can first message me. First message, then call if I have not seen your message. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe please.